Coinbase has agreed to acquire options trading platform Deribit for 2.9 billion, aiming to expand into the crypto derivatives market. The deal will see Coinbase Global acquire Deribit for $700 million in cash and 11 million shares of Coinbase Class A common stock. It is subject to customary purchase price adjustments and regulatory approvals, with an expected completion by year-end. Deribit is the world's largest Bitcoin and Ethereum options trading platform, with over $1.2 trillion in annual trading volume. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has expressed support for crypto-related bills moving through Congress, stating that the U.S. should be the premier destination for digital assets. Bessent's comments follow those of President Donald Trump and other Republican lawmakers, who have called for greater American dominance in crypto-related innovation. The Treasury Secretary was likely referring to a digital asset market structure bill released by House Republicans on May 6th, and the Genius bill designed to regulate stablecoins. However, some Democrats have voiced opposition to the bills amid controversies surrounding Trump's recent announcement of an exclusive dinner for some of his top meme coin holders. Hackers have breached Lockbit's dark web affiliate panel, leaking almost 60,000 Bitcoin addresses tied to its ransomware infrastructure. While no private keys were lost, analysts said the leaked database contained information that could help blockchain analysts trace the group's illicit financial flows, including individual ransomware builds created by affiliates and over 4,400 negotiation messages between victims and the ransomware organization. The exposure of these addresses allows law enforcement and investigators to potentially link past ransom payments to known wallets. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.